I like to share my surfing journey with you. The reason why I like to share it is because it's just like investing for the first time. I learned so many lessons learning how to surf that I thought I would share it with my community because there were so many lessons within a lesson that I learned about this journey as my first time surfing. One of the biggest things I learned in learning how to surf was that you definitely need a mentor. You
Look
definitely need
at
someone that's going to kind of show
Ashley
you the
giving Mika
shortcuts, the
little
ways
surface lessons before.
on how to get on the board, how to jump on the board. And one of the things that was really important to me that on this journey that I learned was is that, surfing is all about focus, timing, and having the courage and the resilience to keep getting back up, even if you fall several times over again and again and again. And so I wanted to share this journey with you because as you see, as I'm going through, I'm falling off the board several times. I only showed a few cuts in this video because there were so many times I failed before I was able to actually get on the surfboard. And even when you get on the surfboard and you try to ride the wave, you'd have to have the courage to stand up. And so I say this all to say, I finally did it. I finally was able to stand up on the board and ride the wave. And so it's just like investing in anything or, your first time doing anything, you have to have the courage to get back up even when you fall down. So I just wanted to share my surfing journey with you. Have a great day.